I need to find a spare that looks like the clogged one. That looks like a perfect fit. There, that should do it.
Aha! I've got it! Now we can finally relax. So guys, what's up?
We were just talking about rubber gaskets.